Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this unfinished piece of wood from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use my antique wax and I'm going to stain the whole block. And I did the edges and the back. Once I have it all stained and it's dry, I'm going to take this wooden egg from Dollar Tree and I am going to paint the very face of it white. And I'm just going to do a quick coat of white on this. And I'm not going to get any on the edges. And then once I have the white all done, I am going to use a color called Barely Pink. And I am going to do around the edges of the egg with that color. So I'm just going to go around the whole edge and do the Barely Pink. Once the egg was completely dry, I'm going to take this bunny napkin and I'm going to pull it apart and pull apart the plies and get it down to one ply. And then I'm going to cut out one square with the bunny on it. And then I'm going to add some Mod Podge to the egg and then apply the napkin. So I'm just going to do a quick coat of Mod Podge, making sure that it's all even, and just a thin coat. And then I'm going to lay my napkin on it, getting the design to the center. And then just start rubbing it on with my fingers really lightly, kind of pulling at it to get rid of any wrinkles. And then I'm going to let that dry just as it is. Once it was fully dry, I can sand off the excess. So I'm just going to go around my little sander here and get rid of all that excess napkin. And I love the design on this napkin. It's so cute. This little bunny is adorable. Making sure that I get all the edges nice and smooth. And then we can set him aside for a second. I'm going to take this Happy Easter cutout from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to paint that with the Barely Pink also. Now I'm going to use some antique wax around the edge of the egg, trying not to get any on the very face of the bunny, just on the edges of it, and going all the way around over the pink. And give it a nice little rustic look. Once I was finished with the egg, I grabbed my wooden block again, and I'm going to take this piece of burlap and cut it to the size of the bottom. And then I'm just going to run some glue along each edge, and then I'm going to lay that almost at the bottom, but kind of up in a little bit. I'm going to lay that on. Then I'm going to take this, it's like a muslin ribbon. I'm going to lay that on top of that burlap and then cut that to size also. And then I'm going to fold it over on each side of the block. Just making sure that it's stuck well. I'm going to do that on both sides. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I am going to cut off the excess. So once I have it all glued and I know that it's secure, I'm just going to take my scissors and trim off that excess. Now that I have that on there, I'm going to take my egg and I'm going to glue it right on top of that. Once that was on there, I'm going to take my Happy Easter cutout and I'm going to use some Aliens craft glue instead of hot glue to adhere this on to the top. So I'm just going to add the bunch of that glue all over the back of it. And then I'm going to lay that right at the very top of the sign. making sure that I get it in the center, and that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so super cute. I love the rustic look of it, and I love how it all just came together. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.